welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are doing my nails, girl, and yes, y'all know how I feel about my press-on nails. These are the nails that we're using today. I picked these up from my local Dollar General Market store, girl, and these are by the Kiss brand. These are the Salon French nails, the French tip nails, girl, peach and white. I love the peach and white, so beautiful. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into the video. Now I do have these in the long length. They do come in shorter lengths as well. There is a medium as well as a short, and these were $3, girl, $3, and you do get 24 nails in this packet. Okay, here are a few items that you're going to need. You're going to need some nail glue. This is the nail glue that I have currently been obsessed with. I love this glue, girl. This glue is so strong. I'm able to wear my press-on nails up to 3 weeks using this glue. And of course, my technique that I use, and I'm going to be showing you all of that in this video. So you're going to need a nail file and some nail clippers. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Now we're gonna go ahead and start. Now this is what we don't want. So from here, this is where we're gonna go ahead and cut all of our nails even, nice and short, and buff the tops to get any of the oil and shine off the nail beds. Just a thin layer, just buff a thin layer off the top. You don't want to file your nails down too thin because that could cause some type of problems and even hurt. So yeah, and if you know that you have thin nails, you don't want to do too much. Just that thin layer off the top. Press-on nails stick better to your real nail, okay? So once you're done, this is how your nails should look. And you're just gonna dust off any of that excess powder from the nails. And now we are ready to begin sticking on our nails. Now that we have both hands cut and buffed, now we want to go into the pack of nails and start sizing the nails to fit each of the fingers. Like I said, I really enjoy my press-on nails. This is quick and easy. I don't have to sit in a salon and wait for hours or possibly get a result that I don't like. And I've had that happen many times. So this is the next best thing for me. Cheap and easy, and it does last. You just have to know what you're doing, girl. All right, so now we're gonna go in and size the nails. I like to do my thumbs kind of last because it's easier for me to do both hands without the thumbnails on. So we already have our thumbnails. I just lay them to the side. And you do want to look behind each nail to make sure that you have the perfect match on each hand for that very same finger, okay? Alright, so I have all 5 nails perfectly sized for my fingers. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the glue to my nail beds and stick the nails on. Alright, so now I have all of my nails perfectly lined up to go with my fingers, all sized up, ready to go. Now we're ready for the glue. Now this is how I like to apply the glue. I like to put the glue directly to my nail beds and then stick the nails on that way and hold them for just about 3 to 4 seconds, and I feel like that gives me the best hold. And again, this is the glue. This is the pink gel glue by the Kiss brand. This glue is so good, so strong. I promise you, I wear my press-on nails for at least 3 weeks at a time. That's at the least. Now, I've gone longer than that to where my nails look like I needed a fill-in, okay? But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started sticking the nails on. And I like to go from my pinky all around to my thumb. So we're going to start with the pinky. And I just like to evenly spread the glue. And when you stick your nails on, you might get some spillage out of the side, and that's okay. We'll just wipe that away and it still looks good. And I feel like putting the nail evenly on the nail bed with these type of nails just works best, so it doesn't look like you have any air bubbles under the nails, okay? So now I'm just gonna hold it, give it a firm press for about 3 or 4 more seconds, and we'll be ready to move on to the next nail. Doing your right hand with your left hand can be a little tricky, so take your time. It'll still come out nice. Alright guys, this is the finished product. This is how they look. Now the shiny stuff on my hands is my oil, okay? You got to moisturize those cuticles and then you are done. Let me know how you feel about my press-on French tip nails, girl. Let me know what you think. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there will definitely be another video. So smash that subscribe button, okay? Bye.